for me, I'd say the biggest skill to learn, it comes down to what Taniya said, know what you're talking about. That's the first step. Once you do that, everything else will happen. Other skills can all be honed. You can develop a writing style, you can become better, at public speaking. All of these things are things that you can improve with practice. But the one thing which has to be there at the base has to be the technical knowledge required. Beyond that, then the next step obviously becomes, how do you try to make that accessible? How do you make that consumable for someone who doesn't? And there, I think the skill to start asking yourself, and this is something which is a bit different from the way you will do a lot of your writing in law school, will be saying, okay, I need to kind of present this for someone who doesn't know the law. So imagine a friend, from school, someone who you knew, or even a family member. If you just kind of explain to them what is the importance of what is the importance of the right to privacy judgment, the way it was done. Think about that for a moment. And then, but what you have to then is realize that you can't just talk about decisional autonomy and things all in just those terms and phrases, which, another lawyer might understand, but you have to make it relatable to a day-to-day thing. So you've got the skill which you have to learn, I guess, is about being able to find a way to take a technical concept and then apply that to real life and try to make that then understandable for someone. So you've got to find a way to be able to build real-world examples out of pure technical concepts. I think that's a skill which, it's also actually a useful thing to have even in terms of your legal career as well. But you will find that there won't be that kind of an emphasis on it. But like as a legal journalist, that's crucial, being able to, get your language there without losing any of the complexity. So obviously start by knowing what you need to know. Then just think about having a conversation with someone who doesn't have a background, and for you to be able to explain a concept to them in a manner which they'll understand without being condescending or without being, leaving them in the dark about what they're saying. So it's a matter of research and understanding that and having that knowledge and then practice.